Thread cutting dies are used to add threads to studs and rods.
Place the die in the die wrench so the tapered starting threads are facing you.
Tighten the screws on the wrench to hold the die in place.
Add some tapping oil and line up the tapered end of the die with the top of your rod. Begin rotating.
The goal of the first pass is to get shallow threads started, so the die should be set to its largest diameter.
To finish the threads, you'll need to reduce the diameter of the die. Remove the die from the wrench and loosen the set screw, allowing the die to compress inward. Once it's adjusted, reinsert the die.
With the die secured in the wrench, begin making a second pass. As you turn, the die will follow the existing threads, cutting deeper into the rod and shaving off rough edges.
You can find all of the products featured here and 700,000 other industrial products at McMaster-Carr.